welcome to Yogepedia. This is the neck rollout. For this practice, you're going to need 2 yoga tune-up balls or tennis balls and a tote. The placement is going to be at the base of your skull, that occipital ridge. You'll lie back with the balls on top of the block and place them right at that base of your skull and just start to explore movements. Nodding your head yes. You can see I'm going nice and slow here. You can turn your head no, maybe check in, make sure your jaw is relaxed. You could open and close your jaw. And then you could also change the placement of the balls, moving them more into the curve of your neck, just sliding them down a little bit. And continue to explore those movements, nodding yes. And maybe turning your head no. You can also try turning your head to one side and then nodding your head yes. And then you might also explore going to the other side. Feel free to stay on each side as long as it feels helpful and good. This self-massage is really meant to be just relaxing and a nice massage for the back of your head and neck. It's great to do before bed or any time that you have extra tension in your head and neck. So again, stay here as long as you like. You can also feel free to explore other movements like drawing an infinity symbol, leading with your nose. So again, continue to stay here. After you're done, notice how you feel. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know. See you next time.